11 countries in 45 days, La Garganta del Diablo, finding home in Asuncion, New Year with friends, trying our luck in Vegas, trekking Beer Lake and a comic jump in the snow. This video is packed with adventures all over the world, so don't miss it. Hi everyone, we're Anna&Fil and say hello to Captain Gastone, our fluffy cat. We love traveling, and after a life as everyday city dwellers, we decided to change our lifestyle and bought a sailboat to become Liveaboard and keep on traveling. Follow along as we combine work and adventures aboard our Malo 42 GoodGirl. After celebrating a great summer 2025, it was time to close the GoodGirl for the winter and take a road trip back to Amsterdam. And we had to stop at Ulm, a city with a cute downtown and refreshing beer, while we loved the castle Schloss Lichtenstein, not far from it. Very original, small but really like the ones you imagine in fairy tales. Here we spent quite some time taking Gastone for a walk all over the park. We were only a few days in Amsterdam that with a 16-hour flight we found ourselves in Asuncion.
Hola chicos, bienvenido en Paraguay.
And right the day after, we were on a luxury bus to the UNESCO World Heritage site of Iguazu, with its 200+ waterfalls rated the biggest in the world.
Hello!
The scale of the park and the falls is hard to show in this video. And it does not matter how long you watch them, they are always an incredible spectacle to see. Whatever the angle, just imagine 3.4 million gallons or 50.5 million liters of water per second. In Ciudad del Este, I enjoy the local Asado.
Señor, you wanna try some?
You can!
We also visited the second biggest hydroelectric station in the world, built on the Paraná River between Paraguay and Brazil. Back in Asunción, we enjoyed a more relaxed sightseeing and the beautiful late spring weather. The city is bustling and continuously growing. We are really happy to make it our new home. The nightlife is vibrant and you can find all sorts of restaurants, but the Mexican here is really popular, with really tasty tacos and ceviches. While shopping around Asuncion, country with a well-known tradition for barbecues, I had to make a stop at the supermarket and check the meat area, and it did not disappoint. An incredible 8-meter window with all sorts of cuts. If you are a vegan, too bad for you. Walking on the embankment of the Paraguay River in Asuncion reminded us of our GoodGirl, sitting alone in the Croatian winter, and started already dreaming of the new 2026 season. After enjoying some trendy lunch in a popular lounge cafe watching people jet skiing in the river, we enjoyed a glorious sunset. The adventures in Paraguay continued with a couple of days in a local ranch for some quiet countryside and herding cows on horseback. But it was time to leave as a new adventure was about to start. The day after celebrating Christmas dinner, we flew to Switzerland to visit friends living in Lake Annecy, France. From there, we drove to Sitges in Spain, where after some sightseeing, we celebrated New Year. After choking on the grapes eating ritual, we went on with the party. Give it a day to change the suitcase, we were already on our way to Vegas, me for work-related trade shows, and Anna to gamble all our 2026 marina fees. But Vegas was just the starting point of our 4,000 miles road trip, taking us from Nevada to Utah to see parts of the Dixie National Forest, Zion Park, and other incredible scenery. We really enjoyed the close-by Snow Canyon Park. We then turned south through the Mojave Desert, crossing Arizona and stopping in Bear Lake, where we enjoyed some trekking. Really beautiful is the Castle Rock Trail. But as the weather was a little too chill for us, we went further south, ending in San Diego, where we spent an awesome couple of days before visiting the Californian coastline back north with all its beauty, the surfers and sea lions, and relaxed down-tempo life. We also stopped in Long Beach to have a full country night. But it was time to say goodbye, and just like that, we went from 25 degrees Celsius Los Angeles winter to minus 15 degrees Celsius Moscow, Russia.
Say hi! Beautiful, beautiful Moscow weather.
Here we met with family and friends and enjoyed some time in the countryside where I had to enjoy a banja and a jump in the snow.
Faster.
Faster.
Yeah, just run
Where?
In the snow!
and swim. Yeah.
Before leaving, we also visited Cosmo, a very interesting exhibition dedicated to space exploration. And with exploration in mind, stay tuned for the start of the new season 2026 of Anna&Fil Travels aboard GoodGirl.